hair care shopping, I promise to show you guys how to use the products step by step. And here we are. I just washed my hair using Tony Iro's natural hair shampoo. My wash days are a whole other process that I think I'll show you guys in the future. I then treat the hair with Tony Iro's natural hair leave-in treatments by spraying it at the roots of my hair. And you do realize that I'm doing this in parts. I'm not doing it on my entire head because it can be cumbersome. So just avoid the stress, yeah? I then apply top class Jamaican hair grower on my scalp and massage gently. This is one product I think all of you guys should try. You have no idea how well it behaves, and the feel of it on hands and hair is just magical. After you're done with that process, just twist that portion. This allows your hair to absorb the goodness and the nutrients of the products. So this is the top class Jamaican hair grower. There's a whole other video on these products and you can have a look to know how much they cost. I'm gonna post the link on the description box. Now let's get to twisting this hair into our desired hairstyle. And my desired hairstyle today is mini twists. So I apply my hair cream from Ashanti Naturals and comb through with a wide tooth comb. oil just to lock in the moisture. And as you can see, I'm not using my fingers or a comb. I am using my palms. Well, mini twists are pretty simple, as you have seen me do before in one of my previous videos on how to style my natural hair. The link will be in my description box as well, so rush there. Remember to apply some styling gel at the end of the twist just to prevent it from running. Once I'm done, I spray my TCB Naturals 3 Oil Sheen Spray for that shiny look. And voila! What do you think, guys? Comment down below when you try the products yourself and tell me how they worked out for you. Feel free to like and share this video with interested parties, and don't forget to click the notification bell to know when the next video will be up. Bye guys!